everyone. Today I am very excited to introduce you to Jane Iredale's new limited edition palette. This is the Dazzle and Shine for Holiday 2021. It has some of the most beautiful jewel tone colors, and I can't wait to show you how I like to use it. So today I'm going to focus on these four colors right here and a little bit of nude, just kind of given that I'm wearing a green sweater. I always like purples and greens together. So to start with, I've got my Jane Iredale crease brush. I'm going to go in this matte, beautiful chocolatey brown down here. Make sure you tap out your brush or all of that fallout might end up on your face. We don't like that. So I've got it on my crease brush now. I'm going to go right in the proper crease of the eye, little windshield wiper motions. And on me personally, I do prefer to keep it out of the inner corner. It just kind of keeps that nice and bright. And then I'll go ahead and take my fingertip and do a little bit of blending. And then my favorite thing about this palette, hence the name Dazzle and Shine, is there are some sparkly options as well. And on top of that, I'm going to take this beautiful, again, sort of chocolatey sparkle, tap, 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 and go right on top on the outer lid. I'm sort of channeling like a cozy fall eye with a big comfy sweater. We'll blend the crease just a little bit there. And then I'm going to pick up my Jane Iredale eye color brush, get a little bit of nude, and kind of go right over the lid. Use the other side to blend. And that's just kind of a nice little daytime low-key eye. I can also bump it up with some of these gorgeous plums, which I'll show you next. We'll take a little bit on my eye color brush of this bright, and I'm going to go on the outer corner of the lid once more. We'll take it right down towards the lash line. Just a little bit more interesting than the neutrals that we chose before. And it's gonna make a lot of people's eyes look super green, which is kind of fun too. Teensy bit of that purple sparkle. And again, we'll go right on top here. Of course, the options are endless, but that's just one way you can wear the Dazzle and Shine palette for the holidays.